Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we will make a delicious and healthy recipe called Happopsai. Happopsai is a Japanese donbori dish inspired by Chinese. I put the exact measurement for this recipe. Just read the details that I will put. Before we will start to cook, we have to prepare and slice all the ingredients. My recipe here is almost complete. That's why some of the recipe are hard to find. But you can make this recipe even some of the ingredients don't have. But I swear to you guys, if you complete this recipe, perfect. When you slice the pechay, make it sure that you separate the leaves and the stem. In my preparation, I put a beans in the recipe, but you can also cook without beans. In this recipe, you can also put squid or shrimp. But if you don't have, you can also use pork only. This time we will mix and marinate our pork and seafood in soy sauce, sesame oil, dashi, little bit of sugar, ginger, and marinate it for 1 to 3 hours. After 1 to 3 hours, you can now stir your pork and seafood in the pan. We are now already sliced all the ingredients that we need. And we still need sesame oil, dashi, soy sauce, and sugar. So now we can start cooking. After I put the onions, I put next the stem of bok-choy or pechay. Next are bamboo shoot and carrots. And give it a stir. This is what they called Naruto. We don't have this in the Philippines, but you can cook without this. Next are wood ear, baby carrots, and our beans. After we put, give it a stir. This time we have to put our water. Looks good. Put the soy sauce, sugar, and dashi. Wait, before I forget, we also need quail eggs. Put the cornstarch, sesame oil, next our pork and seafoods. Mix together. And last but not the least, our pechay leaves. And we're now finished. We have now our Happopsai. Thank you for watching, guys.